Hi, it's attorney Ryan McKeen. Today I'm here with Connecticut medical malpractice attorney Jak Kocienda. Hi, Jake.
Hi, Ryan.
Hey, Jake. Today we're gonna be talking about, what kind of questions will you be asked if you call a medical malpractice attorney?
That's a really good question. And the biggest thing you need to bring with you is just your story, what happened in the background based on what you've experienced, and we'll ask all the questions and get the information. The things we want to know is who's involved, who are the medical providers or the facilities, the hospitals that are involved in the care. We want to know when the events happened, when the medical care of concern occurred. It could be one date, it could be a single event, or it could be over a period of time. We also would like to know the medical condition and the issues that were involved to begin with.
And let me just pause here for a second. And so if somebody's not sure, maybe they're not sure when all the dates happened, do they have to be very precise when they call you, or is it, a general sort of range of dates?
As general is absolutely all we need. We're just looking for a general idea of what happened. It's very preliminary and very much in the beginning of any interest in our investigation if we go that route. The reality is we just need to hear the story from you, from your perspective and what you know. You don't have to prepare anything, you don't have to get anything. What you know when you make the phone call is all we need to start, and then we can go from there.
Yeah, I mean, it's, as you said, it's important to know like the provider's name so we can get records if need be. And again, you may not know all the providers. You may just know that you went to a certain hospital. We can request those records. We can find out who the specific providers are, and we can do some more detail. So, I think it's important for anybody out there watching that if you're, wondering whether or not you have a medical malpractice claim, it's really important to call. Let us know your story, why you think you have a case, when and where you may have treated, and that's going to give us what we need to begin an investigation. And so if you have any questions for us or Attorney Kocienda, you can give us a call, 860-471-8333.